Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, starting off a new series that I am so excited to talk to you about. Everything you need to know about reverse mortgages. Look, there are so many huge misconceptions out there, and I want to start this series off with the biggest one. And I get asked this question all the time. Hey Scott, when I'm doing a reverse mortgage, is it true that I am signing my house over to the bank? And no, it's not true at all. Look, it used to be true from what I understand back in the day, okay? But it's not the case anymore. The way it works is on a reverse mortgage, and I'll get into the logistics of what reverse mortgages are. Basically, a reverse mortgage, just give you a quick overview. A reverse mortgage is where kind of your house pays you. So either you pay off your existing loan with a reverse mortgage, you don't have payments, or if the house is free and clear, you can actually receive a check every month. And the way it works is this, okay? When a reverse mortgage becomes due and payable, which is usually either when the last homeowner passes away, or if they move out of the house, maybe into a long-term care facility or with a family member, what have you, then the heirs or whatever, they have about a year to pay it off, okay? And they could pay it off by paying off the mortgage, they could refinance it, they could sell it. And with paying off the mortgage, any equity that's left belongs to whoever it would belong to if there wasn't a reverse mortgage on it, right? However that's set up with estates and wills and things of that nature. So you do not sign over your equity to the bank when you do a reverse mortgage. It just simply doesn't work that way. There's a lot of protections in place with these products to help protect our senior citizen community from kind of loan sharks and predators and things of that nature. So look, that's how that works. Please continue to watch this series because I'm going to break down everything you need to know about reverse mortgages. I'm Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy. I look forward to speaking to you and seeing you at the next video. Take care.